DaVinci Resolve, for whatever reason, doesn't maximize or resize inside of Linux. At least, not that I could...
GNOME. I should send this, just like this specific clip, to the GNOME developers. This is the reason why you cannot be so stubborn about server-side or client-side decorations. There are applications like DaVinci which expect server-side decorations. This is what happens if you don't do that.
Figure out how to do it. It doesn't even have the maximize, close, and minimize icons in the top right of the window.
Yup.
Let alone the ability to drag the window around or grab it and resize it.
Yup.
Those options don't exist. The window opens to cover about 75%.
It does if you're on anything that is not GNOME, because GNOME is broken and they refuse to fix it. They want to pressure every other developer to fix their applications because they don't want to implement a protocol that is a standard Wayland protocol.